Yes. Let it be. I have found him already. No, let it be. I'll come there myself.
No, sir.
Take your time. Take your time.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry, sir. Seriously, I've done nothing.
Quiet, quiet.
Sir.
Listen to me. Now start telling me the truth. Why
Sir,
did you kill her?
Sir, I
Why
really
did you
didn't
kill her?
kill anyone. Sir, I had the keys of madam's house, but sir, I didn't kill her. Sir, I seriously didn't kill her. Sir, I didn't kill her.
Really?
As soon as I entered her room, I saw...
Mohit. Listen, I was thinking to start my teaching classes again. I have put an online ad also. In fact, I got a call from 2-3 students as well. I really get bored sitting at home doing nothing, and we have been married since 3-4 years now.
You could have told me after starting it. Why did you tell me so early?
I'm sorry, but
It's good. This way you'll make some money.
Mohit,
Hello, ma'am. Sushant.
oh Shushant, online.
Yes,
Come in.
ma'am.
Come Shushant, have a seat. Okay then Shushant, tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, I want to pursue engineering. So,
So what's
That's
the
it.
problem?
I face problem in chemistry.
So you want to become an engineer?
Ma'am, actually in hydrogen bomb and periodic tables get me a little confused.
Okay, show me your book.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the books you have brought?
Ma'am, actually I have notes. Yes, I used to go to Pradeep sir's tuition. So, here I have some of his notes. And for the rest of the books, you...
Your notes are quite impressive. Okay, tell me you'll have tea or coffee?
No, ma'am, there's no need of it.
Oh, come on. I will bring tea for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mohit, why don't you try to understand?
How many times have I told you? All this is okay in the parties. And if someone asked me to have a drink, why did you overreact on
You
it?
know very well that I don't like drinking, neither your parties.
So learn to drink. The ones you're calling my parties help me grow my business. So you better get used to it.
Mohit, please try to understand.
Ma'am?
Oh, Shushant, you are too early today?
Actually, ma'am, I had some doubts. That's why I came early. I tried reaching you on your phone, but I couldn't connect.
Actually, my phone is not charged.
That's why...
You be comfortable. I'm coming in 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry you had to wait. I was making lunch for my husband. He is like that only. You carry on. Let us clear
Okay,
your
ma'am.
doubts.
Question. Yeah.
Pen, please.
Indu! Indu! Where are my files?
What happened? Why are you
Where did
shouting?
the files go?
They are in this drawer.
How many times have I told you? Never touch my files.
But I have kept them in the drawer.
If it was there, so where is it now?
Let me look for it. Here it is.
How will you ever understand how important it is? You are just a foolish teacher.
Mohit, why are you always irritated? Listen now.
I don't want to listen.
Why do you get angry on small things? At least have your breakfast. Yes, Sushant.
Ma'am, should I come tomorrow?
No. He is like that only.
Ma'am, can I ask you something? If you don't mind me asking.
Go on, what's wrong?
Are you happy with sir?
Do you think so?
No.
We had a love marriage together. It was amazing at first. But now, our relation is getting better day by day. Earlier, we just used to fight. But slowly, he started abusing me. And nowadays, he gets violent as well.
Does he really hit you? So why don't you go to the police?
Police? No way. He's my husband. I have to spend my whole life with him. I have to stay with him for my whole life.
Ma'am, you are so beautiful. Anyone would like to marry you. In fact, if you were not married now, I would have found a very good match for you.
Wow.
Yes, really.
You two are getting naughty day by day. Come on, concentrate on studies.
In fact, ma'am, if you would have met me before Nisha, I would have proposed you.
You are really getting naughty. Get back to studies. Tell me the problem. Show me what you are doing. Hello, Sushant. I got fresh tea for you. And did you go through the physics notes I gave you?
No, nothing, ma'am.
What happened? You look quite down today.
No, ma'am, there's nothing like that.
Don't lie to me. Tell me what's wrong.
Well, ma'am, actually,
Tell me, Sushant.
well, I have a batchmate, Nisha. I used to love her a lot, ma'am. But she refused me. Now it feels like I just don't want to live, ma'am. I don't want to live.
Don't say such things. I'm there for you, na Sushant. You deserve a better girl than Nisha. And don't ever think about ending your life. Your family, me, we all love you so much.
Really, ma'am?
Yeah, don't cry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on, have the tea.
Yeah.
Open your book and go through it. What did I teach you yesterday?
This over here. Hello, ma'am.
You? At this time? You were supposed to come in the evening. Okay then, come inside. What will you have? Tea or coffee?
A beautiful flower for a beautiful lady. Happy birthday.
How do you know? Oh, Instagram. Anyways, thank you.
Chocolate?
Oh, you have come prepared.
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to
Sushant?
say this again to you. I really love you, ma'am. Last time you
Sushant?
didn't answer me, ma'am, please. I'm telling you the truth, ma'am. He really doesn't love you. I will always keep you happy. Ma'am, trust me. I will always keep you happy. I will do everything for you, ma'am. Please, please. Completing my engineering, I will definitely get a job. So, why don't you give him a divorce?
Divorce? I haven't thought to give him divorce.
So, think about it.
And Mohit is very short-tempered person. He is really dangerous. I am scared that he may harm you also, Sushant.
Don't worry about me. Tell me about you.
I need some time to think about this.
Okay, take your time. No problem.
Why are we spoiling this moment talking about divorce?
That's right.
You
No,
tried
sir.
calling her a lot of times.
No, sir.
And when she
It's
did
not
not
like
pick
that.
up your phone, you planned to teach
No,
her a lesson.
No, sir, no. I'm telling you
Tell
the
me
truth,
the
I
truth.
swear. Sir. Actually, I had a spare key of Madam's house in my pocket. And so as soon as I entered her room,
What happened there?
I just found her body lying there.
What?
Yes, sir. I am telling the truth, sir. Please believe me. I went there and I saw her body lying there, and then I really got scared, sir. I really got very scared.
Are you speaking the truth?
Yes, sir. That's why I just ran away from there, sir. I should have called you, but I ran away from there, sir. Please believe me. Sir, I'm telling the truth.
Hello? Okay. So he's changing his position. Okay, never mind. How long will he hide? We will find him somehow. Yes, okay. Do you think you're a hero? Why? Why? You acting smart. Tell me, why did you do this? You did everything and put the blame on that kid. Tell me. That Sushant was very foolish. He believed in everything what my wife said. I swear to God, I would have killed him as well. Yes, that's true. I killed my wife. She was having an affair with her own. So she was having an affair with her own student. I couldn't see that. Yes, sir. I killed my wife. People like you, who run behind money like crazy, becomes victim of such situation. Your wife just wanted love from you, nothing else, not even your money. Do you know that? You have spoiled two lives. your own life and your wife's life as well. Now you will spend all your life in jail.